In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headline. Addressing the situation of Afghan prisoners, traders, and migrants, COP talks between Indonesian and Afghan officials. 2 children rescued from kidnappers in Sarpol province. And 4 Palestinian infants martyred due to severe cold in Gaza. Welcome to the news package. It's Monday, the 22nd of Rajab al-Murajab, 1447, the 22nd of Jadid, 1404, and the 12th of January, 2026. The news details. Maulavi Sadullah Baluch, the head of Afghan embassy in Jakarta, met with the director of consular affairs and the director of Central and South Asian affairs and the director of human rights at the Indonesia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs based on the Afghan embassy in Indonesia. The meeting focused on the situation of Afghan prisoners, the challenges and the problems faced by Afghan migrants and traders, humane handling of cases, and the strengthening of consular cooperation. Both sides also reaffirmed their commitment to consolidating relations, expanding bilateral cooperation, and continuing constructive engagement, emphasizing the importance of coordination, regular contacts, and resolving issues within the framework of Indonesian laws. Sarpol Provincial Police Command's report that security forces have rescued 2 abducted children from the center of the province and safely reunited them with their families. In accordance with the police statement, 2 kidnappers have been arrested in connection with the incident and will be handed over to judicial authorities after initial investigations. The news continuation. The construction work on a small water dam in Almar, the district of Faryab province, valued more than 4.622 million Afghanis, has been completed and put into operation. The Minister of Energy and Water states that the project will strengthen groundwater resources and provide irrigation for agricultural lands. And ultimately, severe cold, storms, heavy rainfalls, lack of shelter, insufficient heating, and limited access to basic necessities, alongside the relentless attacks by Israeli regime on Gaza, continue to claim Palestinian lives. Al Jazeera reports that since November 2025, 4 Palestinian infants have died due to extreme cold in Gaza. According to the report, the latest victim was a 2-month-old infant named Muhammad Abu Hurbaid, who died from severe hypothermia at Al-Rantisi Children's Hospital. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.